Hi cute mommies, welcome to Sassy and Cutie Mom. Mrs. Geeta from Alva, she asked me a question. How to raise a happy and loving child? If you have a happy and loving family, you will have a happy and loving child. If the environment of the home is not happy, is not loving, it's not at all soothing, then there is no way you'll have a happy and loving child. And especially, if I talk about parents, mother and father, the relationship between a husband and wife, which is the most important and crucial thing for the child. Why? Because for a child, his parents, both mother and father, is a unit, and it is the most disastrous thing for a child to see his parent, both the mother and father, not having a good relationship among each other, not agreeing on something, not are in a good term. These days we are hearing a lot of divorce cases, lot of ego clashes, and both the male and the female, husband and wife, they just feel that I'm far much capable and superior, and alone I can take care of my child. No, a child needs both the securities and the love, the unconditional love, the bonding from both the father and the mother, from their parent. We do have our own point of view, we do have our own set of mind or opinion, but let's discuss that in private when your child is not around, when your children are not around. Don't discuss or don't argue things in front of your children, because between your ego clashes, between these quarrels, and among all these fights, the only person who is highly impacted is your child, is your children. So just for the sake of your child, just for the sake of your kids, just keep your ego clashes away. Just suppress your ego. Just forget everything. Just forget the negativity and try to maintain the most positive and soothing and happy environment at home. This is what I'm talking about, the parent, the wife and husband. Because for any child, his parents, her parents are the first role model. They're everything. So whatever thing they see in their parents, they will have the same impact, same mindset, same imagination for the entire world. If the parents are fighting, not having good relationship, the entire home environment is very negative, that really gives a very bad and negative impact on your child, and your child will have altogether very negative and mean impact for the entire the surrounding, the world in his mind. And also with other family, if you are staying in a joint family, the relationship should be loving. The home environment should be like loving and taking care of each other. Should have understanding and should respect each other. You should spend quality time together. When I talk about spending time together, I'm not saying that you all can sit together and watch a movie. No. Spending time together means spending quality time together. Maybe you can do some activity, you can play, or if you're really very busy, if you don't have that much time, at least one or twice or once a meal together, talking and discussing things over the dining table. These are small things, makes your life very happy, and the child will become very happy, positive, and very lively because his parents are very happy, right? And again, create loving, understanding environment in your home. Not only among husband and wife, that is the utmost important thing, but if you have other members also, for them also. Let me tell you that parenting is not about raising a child. Parenting is about raising parents. The way parents are behaving, the way parents are together, strongly loving, having a very good, healthy relationship between each other, the more happier, the more strong, the more lively, the more loving your child will be. I hope you agree with me. If you have any suggestion, any doubt, anything to add on this, please do let me know in the comment section down below. Please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. You can follow me on Twitter, Facebook. Thank you. Take care of yourself. Bye-bye.